Tokyo Rope MFG Company Limited, Slope Stabilization. Earthquakes, floods, rockfalls, and landslides can lead to emergencies and huge disasters. In order to prevent disasters and solve issues regarding slope strengthening, special slope stabilization methods are needed. Nets for slope protection of the new type, in line with the guidelines of engineering oversight, have shown the best results. Their strength characteristics are 10 times higher compared to previous steel net systems. These results were confirmed during a huge earthquake in the city of Kobe. The new steel nets kept slopes from being seriously damaged during the earthquake. This system for rockfall prevention is comprised of rock slope protection methods and subsequent planting of greenery. It has been acknowledged as a promising method due to its compliance with ecological rules and regulations. There are two basic methods for slope protection that comply with the requirements of engineering oversight. Two basic types of installation are used based on the surface condition of the slope: rope net and mighty net. These systems are widely used for rock slope protection because they can be installed and used on all types of relief. Let's review the rope net method. This method is used if the slope has trees and/or big unstable rocks. With this method, wire ropes are strained elastically and tightly over large rocks. Often, both slope protection systems are used at once, rope net and mighty net, which prevents smaller rocks from sliding. The mighty net method is more versatile compared to the other one, since its high-strengthened elastic thick netting and wire ropes wrap tightly over the slope. This system is the most effective on slopes with a high level of erosion and multiple clefts. Slope protection systems used in the past had one major flaw. They required the removal of trees and other vegetation. The two latest methods for slope protection are in compliance with environment protection requirements. These methods take into account the type and properties of the slope soil. A distinctive feature of the rope net method is that it can be used without the removal of trees. Installation is done through the regulation of wire rope positions and interval regulation depending on the locations of trees. Using mighty net for slope protection allows minimal erosion and maximal accumulation of sand and soil. Therefore, seeds can take root and grow on the slope. A slope protection system is comprised of methods for rockfall protection and environment protection. In both methods, anchors are used during installation on all types of surfaces. All anchors pass strict factory inspection and are also being checked during installation works. When using these anchors separately or in combination with each other depending on the slope soil condition, wire ropes and wire netting can be installed on almost any type of slope. A primary check of the slope is done. Based on the gathered information, the type of method is being chosen. After that, an operation schedule is composed. First of all, the slope is being arranged for the installation. Unstable rocks and trees are removed. A cable crane or a monorail suitable for the site is used to transport equipment and materials to the site. That's all about the basic procedure of work for the two methods of slope protection. Now let's review each method separately in detail. When using the rope net method, the first thing to do is to mark the positions of vertical and horizontal wire ropes and anchors. Rules regarding a permissible amount must be followed during this stage. After that, anchors can be installed on the marked spots. After an anchor is driven into the ground, a wire rope is attached to it. Wire ropes are installed in the following order. First of all, the vertical wire rope is installed, then the horizontal rope with the highest position, then the strengthened vertical rope, then a horizontal rope, and in the end, the strengthened horizontal rope. Cross clips are installed at wire rope intersections. The cross clip is fastened by using a power tool. The ends of the wire ropes are fixed with rope grips. When using the Mighty Net method, thick netting is done first. The net is installed from top to bottom, while being pressed firmly into the relief of the surface and then fixed with a pin anchor. In this way, the net is stretched over the whole work site. Then spots are marked on the net starting from the top, similar to the net fastening procedure. Anchors are placed at the marked positions. Steel wire ropes are attached to the anchors. This is the Mighty Net method. The method for slope protection in compliance with the guidelines of engineering oversight is used all around Japan and serves as means of protection of engineering services. The slope protection method complies with all environment protection regulations and is being widely used in Japan. The company's experts are continuously improving all systems for engineering protection in order to make them safer and more reliable. For Tokyo Rope, safety is the main goal when developing engineering protection products.